So Kylie's opening her gift. Show her how she opened it, Tasia.
So here has tape on, so we gotta take off the tape.
Oh, this is nice.
Mom,
You don't have to put it on.
blue things hard to go on.
Just push it down. Let me fix it.
Yes.
Just hold on. Put it up, Kai.
Oh, I got it in. Wait, no.
I'm so happy that you guys are happy. Like, I mean, it's the best thing for me to know that you guys are happy, and at Christmas times I can, you know, have you guys open gifts and stuff like that. Wow. Oh, she has her little cash register, her telephone. Is it a telephone?
No, it's like this something that
Oh,
you
to
take
scan.
off. Yes.
Oh, to scan the thing.
Yeah.
It can't come out. Lift
It
it up.
can come out, but
How you take this out? And her basket with her goodies.
yeah.
Oh, so Kylie, we can play shop or supermarket.
But she have a lot of food.
Oh,
My phone.
wow. So you set it up now? Nice. You want to ride your scooter? Wow, Kai. Oh, Tay, you want to set this up for her, please? Tay, you don't have to put in the AirPods now, you know? Wow, so this is it, guys. The tape. I guess you have to take the tape off.
Having scissors. Yeah.
Wow. What is that in that bag? I hear some
I hear
screws.
some screws.
Oh, you don't have to screw it up now, baby girl.
Wait, yeah.
You don't have to screw it up now
The
because
handles?
those are the handles. So you pull this up, pull it up. No, pull up this part. Up. Oh.
This is always a pain to pull up for some reason.
No, this must come up like this. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Let me see it. Okay, so I guess everybody wants to try their gifts and open their gifts and stuff like that. You look nice. You look nice.
How do you know to open this?
I tell you, I do not have problem.
Alright. Careful, mommy. Turn that way. She wants to try out our scooter, guys.
Seat also just goes in like
Careful, Callie. Careful, mommy.
bumblebee.
Alright, when you can go outside when another time, alright? You can go outside another time.
Baby, put down on your foot. You're supposed to like balance on one and you like push up yourself off with the other foot.
Right, so you kind of push off. But there's no space for this now, mommy.
Hey, you just automatically charging at this case?
No, there's a charger that comes with it.
I don't have it.
Alright, Kylie, let me see that. You can't come out.
Yeah, can.
Oh, so let me buy something. Lend me the basket.
Wait, she's buying some food,
Oh,
guys.
it's stuck. Thing is under.
Okay, Auntie's going to buy some food, some groceries.
Okay.
And Kylie, you're at the cash
What is that?
register.
What is that? Oh, coins.
Yes.
Play money.
Yes.
All right.
You don't want to open them yet.
All right. So these are what I bought. These are what I bought. All right. Give me the basket.
No, you have to put them in the basket.
Yes, I'm packing my basket.
packing your
You are gonna
basket, Kylie.
cash
You're
me.
going to cash you're going to use the money.
Alright, so this is what I want. I just want some chips,
Some cookies.
cookies, and what, vegetable?
A vegetable.
And a Softland. I'm gonna go wash some clothes. Right, I'm gonna need that. And this is a sandwich. Apple sandwich. Okay. Alright, so this is what I want.
Next.
Here you go, miss. Can you cash those for me, please? Where's the money?
Open the money.
Yes. Give me your paper money.
So you have $50.
Alright, so this is $50 here.
No, you're not supposed to. You're supposed to.
How much?
keep it.
Cash my stuff and tell me how much. How much it costs.
So
when you
auntie,
finish.
or you want to use a bank card?
No, I'll use the cash. This is cute though. I really like it. Boop.
Stop.
Boop.
Okay.
Alright, how much is it?
Hold on.
It is a
Oh, it needs battery. Okay.
265.
265. Okay, I need more money. Why is that so expensive, Kylie?
$40. $40.
$40? Alright, so here's $50.
So you're going to give her back.
So how much money must I get back? If that is $50 and my stuff costs $40, how much money should I get back?
45.
No,
45?
baby.
No, I'm supposed to get $10, Mama.
baby. So you press the open button.
Wow, it
Oh,
opens
you're
too.
surprised.
Oh, you didn't know that, Kai Kai? Look at the face. She's so surprised. Or can I have my $10, please? Hello.
Wait, they actually have $200.
Can I have my $10 change?
Okay, sure.
It's kind of hard to come up with.
Thank
okay,
you.
here's $10, Kai. Here,
Hold on.
put back.
No.
I'm wanting to get a coin, baby. $10 coin.
This is a $10 coin. That one is a $20
Just that, just
coin.
one coin I'm to get. Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you. Nice doing business with you. All right, LTK and fam.